Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How was your weekend?
Good.
Good. Was it? That's good. It's good to be busy. What did you do?
I went boating and flew off my tube.
Sounds like fun. Okay, well today's lesson is on multiplication, and our objective today is students will be able to write at least one multiplication equation in repeated form with a drawing. Yes, Riley?
What's multiplication?
Good question. I'm so glad you asked. Multiplication is actually one of our key vocabulary words, and it's repeated addition. I have your key vocab words written down right here. Can you tell me what repeated addition means?
No.
Do you know what it means to repeat something?
Yeah, to do it over and over again.
Exactly. So multiplication is just that. Let me find my marker. It is just to add it again and again and again. So here we have 2 plus 2 plus 2.
Isn't that addition?
That is addition. And this is multiplication. 2 with this symbol, an X. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times did we add 2?
3.
1, 2, 3. That's right. We are adding 2 3 times. So multiplication would be 2 times 3.
Okay.
And we know it's multiplication when we see the X. Is this a multiplication sign?
No.
No. This looks more like a T, the plus symbol. And the multiplication is an X. What does the multiplication sign look like?
X.
Very good, an X. I love that. So, can you tell me what multiplication is?
A simpler form of repeated addition.
A simpler form of repeated addition. That is correct. And our other key vocabulary word for today is equation. Does anybody know what equation means? Okay, well, an equation is a math statement. So it's a math sentence that has an equal sign in it, and it's true. So this is an equation. 3 plus 2 equals 5. That is an equation. This is another equation. 3 times 3 equals 9. An equation has to have the equal sign in it. Riley, would you like to come up and give me an example of an equation?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I do it with a picture?
Sure, you can do a picture.
Okay. That's my cat.
Cute cat.
So it's 2 cats plus 1 cat equals 3 cats, I think. Two plus 1 equals 3.
Very good. I like that you did the picture form and the number form.
Thank you.
Good
I
job.
tried very hard.
Good. Okay, so just a quick review. Equation. What is an equation?
I forgot already.
You forgot already, okay. That's why we're reviewing. I want to make sure you're understanding. An equation is a math sentence that is true. So an example of that would be 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals
8.
8. Very good. This is an equation.
Oh, I know why.
Why?
Because it has the equal sign.
That's right. But 4 plus 1 equals 7. Do you think that's an equation? It has an equal sign, but let's do the math. 4 plus 1 more.
That equals 5 though.
You're right. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. This is an equation. Is this an equation? 4 plus 1 equals 7? No. It is not an equation because it is not true. Very good. Okay, and
Wait,
yes.
an equation has to be equal
Yes.
on both sides.
Exactly. An equation is equal on both sides. That is correct. And multiplication, one more time, is
Simpler form of repeated addition.
repeated addition. Just adding and adding and adding. That's correct. Okay. I am going to, I almost forgot. For today's lesson, I brought in Skittles. We will be doing multiplication problems with Skittles. Now I'm going to pass these out, but I do not want you to eat them. Do not eat them. You can eat them after our lesson today. I am going to okay. There we go. Let me write this on the board. I have 3 plus 3 plus 3. And down here I have 3 and 3 and 3. What do you think's going on here?
You're repeating addition.
I am repeating addition. I am repeating it. 3 plus 3 plus 3. So how many Skittles do I have in this one group?
3.
3. So I put a 3 up here. And how many Skittles do I have in this group?
3.
Very good. So I have another 3. And how many Skittles do I have in this group?
3.
That's right. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. And we're going to make this an equation. Equals. So now if we count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That equals 9. But that's a lot of writing. An easier way to write 3 plus 3 plus 3 would be 3. Who remembers the multiplication symbol? Riley?
It's an X.
It is an X. 3 times, we call that X times. And how many groups of 3 do we have?
3.
3. So I'm going to write 3 times 3. 3 Skittles times 3 groups, and that equals 9. Very good. So I want you to open up your bag of Skittles. And I want you to make a group of 2 Skittles. Okay? And now make 2 more groups of 2 Skittles.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, so what do we have here?
2 plus 2 plus 2.
Very good.
Or 2 times 1. 3.
That's right. Would you like to go write that on the board?
What
You-
way?
You can do it multiplication or the repeated addition.
Well, but I meant in number or picture.
Let's do numbers.
2 plus 2 plus 2. Or 2 times.
Very good. So can you tell us what you did up here?
I did my one group of 2 Skittles plus another 2 plus another 2, and I know there's that equals 6. But then for my multiplication, I knew there's 3 groups of 2. So I did the 3 times 2.
Very good. Very good. Okay, why don't we pull out more Skittles? Let's do 5 Skittles
Do we need
and make 3 groups with 5 Skittles each. Good. Okay, so how many groups do we have?
3?
3 groups. So I'm going to write a 3 on the board. And how many Skittles are in each group?
5.
5, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So we have 3 groups, and 5 Skittles are in each group. So I'm going to write 3. What's the symbol for multiplication?
X.
An X, that is correct. 3 times 5. And if we count those up, how many do we get?
15.
15, that's correct. Very good. Okay, I have a worksheet for you to do. So let's put our Skittles in our baggie. And you can use the Skittles if you need to while we're working on the worksheets. Okay, you need a marker. And now on our first problem, are you eating?
No.
Okay. On our first problem, we have a group of apples. And we circled 2 groups. And if you notice, there are 4 apples in each group. And how many groups do we have?
2.
2. So we have 2 groups with 4 apples in each group. So to write that, you would write 2 times 4. Yes?
Are we supposed to be writing what you're explaining right now?
Just watch me, so you'll know what to do.
Okay.
Okay. So we had 2 groups with 4 apples in each group. So we wrote 2 times 4, and that equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Do you think you're ready to try one on your own?
I think I need help one more time.
Okay, so let's go over another one. How about number 1?
Okay.
So we have some leaves here. And if we circle, let's circle the top 3. Okay, and now let's put a circle around the middle 3. Good job. And now let's circle the bottom 3. Okay, so now you've heard me say we circled 3s. And how many circles did we make?
3.
We made 3. So we have 3 groups of leaves, and we have 3 leaves in each group. So to write this multiplication equation, we write 3 times 3, and that equals
9.
9. That is correct. Okay, would you like to try one on your own now?
Yeah.
Okay, and I will watch to make sure you're doing it correctly. If anyone has any questions, raise your hand.
Did I do do that right.
Okay, so Riley circled the top group of hearts. And how many hearts do you have in the top group?
5.
5. Okay, and then you circled the middle group and the bottom group, and you have 5 in each group. So to write that, you would write 5. And how many groups do you have?
3.
3. Very good. So 5 times 3. Very good. And that equals 15. Good job.
What if I wrote 3 times 5?
Good question. I am glad you asked. Okay, students, we have, well, we'll use this problem. 3 times 5 equals 15. And if we wrote 5 times 3, that also equals 15. Is the reply.
Yeah.
Because if you, let's see, look at our paper. Let's do this one with the cats. We can circle it so we can make 3 groups of 4 cats, but we can also make it so we have 4 groups of 3 cats.
Okay.
Okay, so either way, if you did 4 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 4, that is the same thing.
Oh.
Can anyone else see another way to make groups?
Oh.
Yes.
You could do 2 groups, just 2 groups, but of 6.
That's right. We could do, and I'm using a different color so you can see this. We can do just 2 groups with 6 cats each. So how would we write that?
2 times 6.
2 times 6. That is correct.
Or 6 times 2.
Or 6 times 2. You are exactly right. Good job. Okay. I think we're running out of time. So turn your worksheets over. And I would like you to write. I'm going to tell you, I have some apples. And I have 2 boxes. And in each box I put 4 apples. So I have 2 boxes. And in each box, I have 4 apples. So can you write a multiplication equation for that? Riley, would you like to share your answer?
I'm not finished yet. I'm still working it out.
Okay, the bell's going to ring in just a few minutes.
Okay, so I have 4 plus 4 equals 8, but I could do 2. Oh wait, I think I did that wrong.
You did? Okay.
No, wait.
You can write 4 plus 4, but I want you to do a multiplication.
Oh, okay, so I did 2 boxes times 4 apples in each box, which also equals 8
Very good.
apples.
Good job. So now I want to ask you, can you write a multiplication equation?
Yes.
Yes, you can. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Well, for your homework today, I want you to finish up this worksheet and bring it back. Have a good day.